Now, Sanji is asking, you're using an ad to generate leads previously using lead form. However, you are actually now testing automated chat leads. So you can easily follow on the leads, understand? And it's not exiting learning phase, and it always shows 0 events. Okay, is there a problem with automated chat leads? Why is not automated chat, meaning that as I can see, I think you're actually automated chat. Why is not existing? Should I do something else in the ad will recognize the event? I'm generating enough leads and enough budget at the right audience. Here's what I think. Okay, first thing first, learning limited is not going to kill your campaign. Okay, so that's the first thing. Because the last part of a message you say here is you're generating enough leads with enough budget and the right audience, which means your campaign is doing well. So when a campaign is doing well, the number over here may not be that important to you, in my opinion. Okay, put it this way. I have a lot of campaign that has been learning limited for a long time. I don't really care about that because, like I said, it's not going to kill your campaign. The only thing that Facebook wants you to do when you have a learning limited campaign is they want you to spend more money. Okay, so on your side, as long as it's doing well, doesn't matter. Okay, sometimes you don't need to be so agitated by this thing. But if you really want to drill in further, it could be because you're using automated chat. Automated chat means you set up an automated reply. Did you bring it over to a chatbot? Or you're using the internal whatever thing that is in there. Basically, you can actually see if are you using the right objective, messages, or you are using the link click. So we have to look at a few angle over here because I don't have a lot of information, and to be very frank, I won't be able to go into that. You share with me a lot of things also. I can only do my best to test. But if you are really agitated by this challenge and you say that cannot, Jason, I must have you to come in and take a look at this thing. You notice that I do offer a one-to-one coaching program where you can book 1 hour of my session to look into your challenges and whatnot at a fee, of course. You can go to my website, look for coaching. So that's where we can have a one-to-one session. You get all of me within an hour to ask any questions that you want. So that's something that we can look into. However, Sanji, doesn't matter. As long as, like you say, you're generating enough leads with enough budget and the right audience, everything is cool, let it go, man.